Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Midnight Market Diaries. And today, let's see how was the day in Nifty first. So, we saw a little upward movement, and I think on the news channels and all those things, there was a nice ray of hope regarding that market will bounce back from here and all that. So what I want to say is that this green bar is actually a very important bar, and it's a test bar, you can say, because it's having the least volume. So if we go up and close also above this bar, then for sure we are going to see an up move. But if we go downside of this bar and also give a closing below this low of this green little bar, then for sure, according to the price action and technical analysis, we are going to down. And I don't know, maybe this level can be tested or a little below this we can test, and then again we can see a up move, I think. So because as we discussed earlier, the weekly chart was a little bit suspicious to me. That's why I'm saying all this. Uh, and if we look at intraday levels, it's the same. That support level is still holding, but I think it should get broken because it's taking exact support, no liquidity grab or nothing else. So weak bulls are still intact over here. So I think we should see a little bit up move over here. And also, I want to share one thing that stop losses of weak bears are sitting over here. So let's see where the move happens. And this is the highest volume up bar. So I would like to mark these levels. You can also mark these levels in your charts so that if price comes in this range, then you can look for some short opportunities or all that. But if we manage to go above this level and close above this, then I think there are some chances of some up move, but they would be not uh, expected by me. I think that in this range we will find our desired trade of short side, and above this, if we go, then for sure we will be in an uptrend. But that's what I'm not expecting. But market is always just expect what is the most unexpected thing. So now let's look at Bank Nifty. Okay, so retracement in Bank Nifty was quite good because we have engulfed the previous day bar, like more than half of it, and but the volume was still low, and they were lower than the past weeks any daily bar. So let's see where we close tomorrow. If we close above this, then it's going to be good. We are going to go up, but if it closes down, then uh, we can see further downside. And yeah, its weekly chart was also a little bit suspicious, but not that much bad than Nifty. Uh, it's just a little bit concerning to me that this smooth bottom is still pending, and any noob operator or market operator who will be operating the market, like if an operator is even in internship, then also he can say that here stop losses of weak bulls are pending. So this should be cleared. Otherwise, we are not going to have a healthy uptrend. It would be very dirty uptrend, and it would be not good for traders to trade into it. And in intraday charts, um, here I think we got no. mm, okay. For Bank Nifty, I'm not getting any intraday levels, but yeah, these peaks can be something to watch into. Uh, that's it for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now let's move to US markets. This is S&P, and uh, people prepared for the tariff day a lot, and we have just saw just up and down move. Like all the preparedness just went into nothing. If you will go to Twitter, my Twitter handle, I already posted it yesterday that are we too much over prepared for tariffs? Like, so it caused like it's a non-event thing. Uh, so it's just a zigzag movement. And as I told yesterday too, that this high should get taken out for a nice bear run to happen, especially in Dow Jones, because here we had a smooth top, double top, which is now taken out. But I am thinking that it could go more upside is pending. And that too, I think in S&P it was more clear. Mm, No, uh, I think it was this level or in Nasdaq. I saw it. Yeah, here 42877. So I think this is also a kind of smooth top. So this should also be cleared, I think. Mm, Otherwise, if it has to, it's not that much far away. So I think it will get to this place and then we can see some short side if we get any. So that's your Dow Jones. Now Nasdaq. Okay, it's the gap level, I think. Yeah, it's the gap level, which is marked over here. What level is it? It's marked, so I think it's important one. That's why it's marked. Uh, okay. Yeah, it was the gap level over here. You can delete it now because it's failed already. And as I said, that Nasdaq is already looking weak than others. Okay. In this up move, we already saw some kind of distribution in it. No, I think for you candlestick charts will go good. Uh, I prefer candlestick charts because in equity markets, we see a lot of gap ups and gap downs. So I usually just see the closing price and the high and low ranges of uh, that time frame. So that's why I just prefer HLC bars. But candlesticks mm, are more understood by people. So let me switch to that. Okay, yeah. Nasdaq also I think can go till uh, these levels. This range is like important one. So I think these levels of around 20,000. Okay, it's a psychological level too. So I think we can travel till here and then can look for any short opportunity. So this was Nasdaq for you. Now let's see Brent crude. And it's surely having some nice move. So it's going to continue. We have already told that 77.4 is our ultimate target first, and our ultimate target would be this one, 82.5 or something. This would be our target too. Let's see how it goes. And I think it will go even further above this. But for safe sense, I want to give this one. Now let's look at dollar futures. I see US. Okay. Okay, so it has like engulfed it and we are again heading towards downside. Let me check if it's going to work out. Okay. Volume activity looks good. Okay. Okay, yeah. We can trust this down move, I think. Uh, Maybe we can see a little bit retracement, but yeah, this down move is trustable, I think. Let me check in hourly time frame too. Hmm. Yeah, for sure. For sure, it was some kind of selling, I think. Here too. Okay, yeah, we can trust this download. And I think if we go below this, then just target for this 99.825. I will not be surprised, as I was thinking for it when it was around here. So USD INR, I don't know. But yeah, all other pairs like 6E, like Euro futures, they are performing good because the dollar index is crashing, and similarly Australian dollars and all. Here you can see the mark that I have put. So this level is possible if we go to that 99.8 mark in US dollar futures. So now let move us to Bitcoin. If you will see Bitcoin, then it's already near our supply zone, which we have marked like the resistance zone in our range. So it's marked on daily time frame. We marked it in daily time frame. So for finding any short setup, just go to hourly time frame, which is lower than this one. And when it moves into this range, just look out for some look out for some short setups so that you can have some nice shorting profits. And I think this level can be taken out as this is a smooth bottom type of thing. So if we go in this range, then look out for short opportunities using 15 minutes or 1 hour time frame, and you can then target for these levels of 81,236. That's Bitcoin for you. Then let's see our pair Ethereum. It's just struggling over here. Let's see what happens in it. It's still in the downtrend. Nothing more to say. Uh, what one more thing I want to share is Cardano. Cardano is very much unique case. We first saw a very high up move with strong volumes. We also closed above the level of 1 USDT, which is a psychological nice level. But the very next bar, we engulfed around 50% of this strong bar, and in following bars, we actually engulfed all the buyers in this. So I think it was just a trap up move to get rid of weak bears and to find some short opportunities in it. As we know, cryptocurrencies are having wild up moves or down moves and short squeeze, long unwinding, all that. So you can clearly mark these levels at 4 hour time frame, which are these 1.39 and 1.150. In this range, if it comes, then again go to 15 minutes or 1 hour and look out for short opportunities. And maybe we will be going to test the low of this wick, and eventually we can go till 31996, I think. Okay. These are some bold uh, calls that I'm giving, but uh, market favors the bold, I think. Here also there was some liquidity over here, and we got it cleared with this wick. So I think just mark these ranges. I don't want to talk a lot about it. So that's it for crypto too. And if you will trade the US markets or crypto markets, all the best for the day. And for tomorrow, if you are trading the Indian markets, then sleep good night and keep your capital safe. Also, I think tomorrow will be a nice, interesting day. Uh, let's just also see NSE option chain. You know what, for option sellers, what's the perfect recipe of disaster? Uh, just before an event day, uh, they were like writing so many contracts in call side and as well as on the put side. But we can see that on the side, we had much more writing than on the put side. So I think first the market will gap up a little bit because this tariff day has went like a non-event thing. So first we will see some gap up. Then these call writers will be butchered. And after their butchering, I think these put writers come next. So that's how I think the market can behave. And also, I can't give some buy or sell recommendations in India markets. So that's it for the today, guys. Thanks for watching.